Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the road to the 75th Miss Universe. This year, the competition takes center stage in beautiful Puerto Rico. Who will become the next Miss Universe? Stay with us for the latest news, exclusive updates, and everything you need to know. This is your Miss Universe Update. Magandang araw Pilipinas and good day pageant lovers! Sa videong ito ating mapapanood ang naging Q&A interview ng ating Miss Universe Philippines 2026 Bea Milian Windorski at masasabi nating talagang ipinakita ni Bea ang kanyang husay sa pagsagot sa bawat tanong na ibinato sa kanya. Makikita sa kanyang mga sagot ang kanyang katalinuhan, pagiging kalmado at higit sa lahat ang kanyang sinseridad. Hindi lamang siya nagsalita bilang isang beauty queen, kundi bilang isang Pilipinang may malasakit at tunay na hangaring magsilbi sa bayan. Congratulations Bea, and of course, panoorin natin ang kanyang Q&A interview.
Looking forward to your reign. So I want to know, how do you want to be remembered as Miss Universe Philippines 2026 since you've been talking about your advocacies?
I want to be remembered first and foremost for my authenticity. Being able to spend this past week also with my mom is a good reminder of where this advocacy-driven spirit came from. It's the fact that my mom and my dad always made sure I was socially aware, that I really believed in helping the underserved. So I hope throughout my reign you can see that I live my advocacies fully and that I hope to use this crown for change and for progress.
Wow.
Talagang tagus-puso ang bawat mensahe na ipinakita ng ating Miss Universe candidate. May magandang puso, malinaw na layunin at inspirasyong maibahagi sa buong mundo. Dahil dito lalo pang tumitindi ang excitement at mga suporta na kanyang natatanggap mula sa mga pageant fans. Malaki ang tiwala ng marami at maipagmamalaki niya ang Pilipinas sa international stage. Kaya naman patuloy natin siyang suportahan at patuloy natin siyang samahan hanggang sa Grand Coronation Night. Siyempre, huwag kalimutan na mag-subscribe sa channel na ito dahil lagi po tayo magbibigay ng suporta at pagmamahal para sa ating pambato. Patuloy din tayo magbibigay ng mga bagong updates para sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat po.